Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to see our second part poem meant to do my work today. And I hope you are all learned last class topic. Last class we saw about the singular plural, isn't it? And did you learn the topic? Very good for those complete the topic, and those who haven't finished, complete it soon. Let's move the topic. I meant to do my work today. Written by Richard Lee Gallen. Let's move to the lesson. I mean to do my work today. As we all have work every day. As a teacher, my work is to teach. As a student, your work to study, right? Everybody is a lot with the work to do each and every day. Likewise, the author is having own work to do. I mean to do my work today. So the author is telling, I have my works to do. I have my own duty and responsibility to do today. The author is having the own work every day, but he could visualize lots of things around him, lots of things distracting him, lots of things attracting him. So he is not able his work. Let's see what are the things author can visualize around him. So the author could see a brown bird which sitting on a apple tree and singing. So he could see a bird, it was sitting on an apple tree and singing. He could also see a butterfly flying across the field. What does it mean by flittered? Flew away quickly. Flitter means flew away quickly. Across the field. Singing. What does it mean by singing? Is nothing but breathing out slowly. Singing but breathing out slowly. So he says that when singing us through, wind is long deep breath, like his telling. So in the wind singing over the land. Okay. He could also see grasses moving front and back as the wind blows. What does it mean by tossing? Tossing means moving up. Moving up. Okay. He says that he could also visualizes or see a rainbow shining in the sky. Now what good the author's telling, what good I do, laugh and go. I have own works to do. I have I good wonderful things around me. The birds is singing, butterflies across the field, leaves are calling, rainbow shining, grasses are moving front and back. Now the author says, what could I do? I could only laugh and go. Visualizes these things. I laugh. I can enjoy the beautiful things. Okay, but I can't do everything now as I have own work to do. So I laugh and go. Dear children, are you clear the lesson? Take your note and pen, write the glossary and learn.